System downtime is annoying? It can cost a ridiculous amount of lost revenue. Fret not. Kaspersky Endpoint Security 10 System Management has the fastest way to restore your system. System can be restored within minutes by deploying the images that are captured and stored in a special inventory that is ready for access anytime. Don't worry, be happy, even when your system is down.
Kaspersky Systems Management simplifies the process of image provisioning and deployment and is accessed from the same central console as other Kaspersky security technologies. Create and store operating system images and deploy them, along with relevant applications, on client computers over